channel all about manifesting a life you love. And don't forget, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you are notified of upcoming videos so you can see more videos like this one. So this video is all about how to be the boss of your life. How good does that sound? To be the boss of your life. You see, you get to decide what you want to create in your life. You can decide that. So how to be the boss of your life is this. Look at every area of your life, your relationships, your career, your body, your money, like every area, right? And ask yourself, what do I want in this area? Like, if I could choose to create whatever I wanted in these different areas, what would I want my life to look like? And what would I want my life to feel like? And get super clear on that, like really, really clear. What do you want to create? You can have anything you want in all of those different areas. What do you want to create? That is how you be the boss and the director of your life. You take time out and you look at your life through every single area and you decide, what is it that I want to see in my reality out there? What would bring me joy, peace, happiness, elation, expansion, all the beautiful vibrations and energies of the higher frequencies, which is generally what we're chasing. What things that you could manifest into your outside reality that could invoke those feelings within you? And let me know in the comments below if you feel okay to share, go into each area and tell me what you want and really declare it to the universe. This is what I want to create in my life. And let's put it in a little, in a comment, put it out there to the universe and let's get it manifested. So that's it for today. Be the boss of your life, take charge, figure out what you want, stick to it and go for it. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you are notified of upcoming videos that I release. And like I said, you're the boss. Tell me below, comment below, are you going to be the boss of your life today? I hope so. Have a good one. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.